So today I'm doing another flip cup on a 12 by 12, and I'll actually explain why I'm doing all these 12 by 12s today. In specific, this green one is actually going to a friend. So let's get started. So only gonna put silicone in 2 colors because I really liked how that one came out. I'm gonna put the silicone in my Liquitex Basics Bronze. And my Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Green. I really want to get new silicone in the near future, but that's another thing. Still using my OGX argan oil stuff. I realize now. Here you go. I was holding that upside down. So like I said, I'm going to be using black as my base for the canvas. So I have some other colors here. Like I have my Artist Loft Titanium White and Full Coat White Pearl mix. If I can open it. Come on. Gotta pull gloves off first. Should have thought this one through. Ugh, just grab a new one. I should put on gloves after I do this. Oh, hindsight's 2020. Okay. So I think because I have this and it needs to be stirred desperately, put it as my little bottom layer. Look at how wonky this stick is. Okay. Don't really need these other sticks, do I? Okay, so at least I don't think so just yet. Keep that like that. Yeah, cool. Next, I will put Liquitex Basics in Phthalo Green. Very pretty green. Next, I'll do my neon green. Roman wants to help desperately. And I'm like, please, no. Ooh, it's gloopy. Oh, and this is Winsor Newton Permanent Light Green. Roman, stop, please. Yeah, stop, please. Oh. I'll add more white. I'm gonna mix it up a bit and put more into this. I'll do the bronze. I guess I should have fed them before I filmed. Oops. I'll do this. And the rest of this. It is lighter, you can tell. Cool. Now, move those out of the way. Put lids on stuff. Kind of. I didn't realize I threw bronze there. Oh well. Look at that! How cool. My centering skills are on point. Not. Right. Gloves. Now for the fun part. So I've always liked how green and black go together. And I find that this should work out well. And this painting, like I said earlier, is going to a friend. And this is a friend of mine in the States. I've been making a lot of 12 by 12s lately and realized I should probably just start giving them away. So a lot of my friends will be receiving them. A lot of the ones I will be filming from here on out will be for, well, friends and family. And I'll probably explain who it is. And go from there. Roman is very upset. Yeah. Okay, so now time to get these edgeroos. Whoops. There we go. This should work out okay. At least I hope so. Just trying to clean up top night. And kind of scratch my forehead. It's itchy. Alright. Let's do this. So far, so good. Oh, that looks really cool. So I'm gonna tilt this. See what happens. The only reason I was dumping off so much from the bottom there was because leave that top bit alone, it looks really cool. And the problem is I was only getting one corner. Trying to stretch it back up. Some of these cells are huge, but they look really cool. Alright. And green and black looks amazing. Enjoy, Devon. This is just before I torch it too, so you're a lucky girl, you get to see how I'm actually making this. Neat. instant just like cells. You know what? Help over here and there. Ugh, I'm so impressed. Wow. I put in not very much silicone and look at all the cells. It's so cool. I will get you down for a close-up because from up here it's really not doing you good justice. So I've always said that friends are the family you choose, and that's why I am giving away a lot of these paintings. And the next few will be specifics in colors that have been requested by some friends of mine because, well, they all deserve art because a lot of them are not appreciated as much as they should be. But I love them all, and that's the point. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. I am absolutely blown away with how this came out. All the cells look so phenomenal. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time.